What are you doing over here? You Googling something?
Yeah.
What are you Googling?
I have questions about your motorcycle.
Oh, that thing. What does he want to know? There you go. What do you want to know?
Okay.
How big is it?
650 cc's. I see that part. I see it's only got one jug.
I only see an 050 from where I'm at.
Well, you can look around that shifter there. It says 650 cc. What's APSPF though? I'm not curious about that one.
A-class, altered, partial streamline. See that Tatro fairing up there?
Okay, that's because he has the back. Oh, the front one. Okay.
That carbon fiber bicycle fairing over there?
Yeah, that is a bicycle fairing.
That's a bicycle fairing.
And
And then push rod fuel because I run fuel in it.
push rod what? Oh, that's the PF?
There's two push rods in this motor. It's called a Harley.
Yeah, PF, that's what that is? Push rod fuel?
Yeah.
Because you run nitromethane and nitrous oxide.
I have been known to use everything. Alcohol, nitro.
And what do you have for a carburetor on that?
Nitrous, usually all at once.
That's an S&S Super B modified. We go velocity stack on some rag stuff in it right now
That's my air cleaner.
for when it's sitting around. S&S Super D, as in drag race, huh? 181, a D. That's a lot different than a B.
It's a fuel D.
Custom manifold.
It's a fuel D. It's got two carb inlets, see?
Two what?
Two inlets.
Oh, fuel here and here?
You have to point when you look at the camera.
Oh, yeah, here and here. Oh, there and there. There's a big one on the other side.
And see this thing over here?
Yes.
That opens that valve up.
Oh, okay.
That opens this up.
To give it extra fuel when it's wide open?
It dumps fuel into it.
When it needs it, huh?
It's got a 3/8 hole that opens up when you lift that plunger up.
Wow.
And that's at 5.5 psi. How much fuel comes in at that?
I don't know, but quite a bit, huh?
It goes through a lot of fuel.
I've only ran just naturally gravity feed shit on anything I ever had.
See the return line?
Is that this here or this one?
Those are feed.
Oh, this big one's a return?
Yeah.
Okay.
See the fuel return line?
Yeah.
That one fills up on return.
Cool. So extra fuel will go back. You got a large oil tank on it too, two of them. Or is this fuel? That's oil?
How do you know that's oil?
I'm just guessing by that may be fuel right there, huh?
By the black line coming out of it to close the oil pump.
Yeah, it could be. This is a gas tank then?
That's the gas tank.
Okay. What's all the solenoids up here for?
Go fast.
That's the fuel pumps and stuff like that. And what is all? That's the nitrous setup. All our lines up here, boosted into the manifold. That's got to be nitrous.
How many of those are up there?
Well, I see 3 ports, unless there was one on the other side. 2, 3. Is there one on the other side too?
Well, you got to be equal.
Okay. So we got 4 shots of nitrous, 8 shots of nitrous going in there actually, isn't it?
No.
Just 4?
It's 8 lines. You got fuel and nitrous.
Oh, the fuel comes the same way, yeah. There's nitro in there too?
It's a mechanical injection system is what this is called.
Wow.
So you got 2 lines. You got fuel and nitrous gas.
Mechanical.
So if you don't
No computer.
If you only have one or the other, it doesn't work very well.
Okay.
Got to have both in the right proportion to make it work.
So the jets inside of here?
Yeah.
Evolution. Got a little piece of a V2 on there.
That's my evolution motor.
I'm surprised.
I evolutioned it from a flathead.
Where's the rear brake lever at?
Rear what?
On the handlebars? The front brake? That's the front one right there. I see a rotor on there.
The lever right here. What's that do?
That's the front one.
There you go.
That's it, huh?
I don't know. Did you turn the back one? Does it rotate?
What's this, oil pump? And then you have an electric oil pump also?
Yeah.
Boy. And you still go through cylinders, huh? That's your custom-made oil pan, huh? Crankshaft accessible all the time. Wow. Damn, that's like thick. Half-inch plate or 3/4 inch plate?
It was 28 pounds when I started, or 29.
Really? You even have a mechanical stuff with oil pressure light?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you have, MSD ignition on it? Is that car stuff or motorcycle stuff? Modified. Hey, look at the other side of it. Big fat tire, big fat rim back there. No tread in the front. That doesn't make the dirt. It works in the dirt like that, huh?
Works in the street and the water too.
Not very well in the water.
I didn't have any problem running around the ring with it.
I just wanted to look at your.
Maybe we should put some air in it though.
Yeah, I could use a little air in the tires. Your fork brace is what I'm trying to look at here.
Lacking wind. It's lacking wind in it. You got my caliper?
No, your fork brace.
There's one in there somewhere.
I see it now.
What's that drag?
The brakes. Oh, the tire.
The tire ain't got no air, so it drags.
I got bounced around a little bit moving it yesterday. 34 millimeter
What kind
forks.
of tire is this?
That is ET front. Mickey Thompson. Made in England. I'm surprised.
American made. In England.
I could tell it's an oil tank by this one here, to the breather on it. How come you got offended when I told you should wash it yesterday? Doesn't matter. It just hauls ass no matter what.
We don't wash it.
Never?
55, 60 pounds enough.
Still rubbing. Oh, it's only held on with zip ties anyway. No wonder it's rubbing. I'm sure it got bounced around a little bit yesterday when on the move.
What zip tie?
Here. That's all I needed was a little adjustment. And here the brakes aren't barely dragging, aren't they? Very little drag on them.
There's a bolt in there holding it on.
That's holding what, the fender? Yeah. Is that a one piece? Okay, I thought it was like two different fenders. This is one piece. Somebody wrote their name on it right there. That's the fork brace. I'm looking at how you did that. I'm gonna make one for mine like that. I'm gonna modify my fender pretty soon. Wow, it's fat, solid, no holes in it or nothing.
6061 T6.
Wow.
Strongest you can
What'd you
make.
bend it around?
Piece of pipe. Didn't want to bend very easy either.
Yeah, I'll bet. A quarter inch,
Yeah, you can see
something like that. Close to it. If it ain't,
It made the front end a lot stronger.
no more wobbly, huh? I mean,
Would you break my clutch?
it's not bad. I just seen how much it was to pull it.
Stock spring.
If you want to put that ease thing on there, I had it on my bike.
It's got a stock spring in it.
Yeah. You make all the linkage yourself, yeah. This is all the Nitrous stuff. And what's no? It's a fuel pump, huh? That's a fuel regulator, pressure regulator. You got another one up there. It's an oil fuel pump. Oil pump, everybody. I've never seen that before in my life.
You don't know what a Harley blue fuel pump is?
Hooked up to oil though. You say it was an oil pump?
Where's it go to?
There's so much spaghetti on there I can't trace it. Oil tank.
Gotta follow the lines.
I'm following one right here. Oil tank.
Where's that one go to?
The other line? Where's the other one? Here. Right into there. God damn, where does it go? Back down here. Go that line on the side of the bike over there or what? Oh, right there. It comes out that side. Is it right here?
Nope.
No?
A different line. You're too close, Joe.
I'm just trying
Can't
to
see
what
with
I'm
the
seeing.
camera.
Oh, it's right here. Is it?
What, that knob? That oil line fitting coming out of the oil tank? Pan?
No, that's the other one,
You mean
right?
that one? Which one?
Right here. That's coming out of the pump. In, out, or out and in. Either way.
Yeah.
Goes around here. It goes across. I can't see where it goes over there though.
Goes into here.
It does go into that, huh?
That 90 up into there, see?
So that's the return line or that's the out?
It's an out.
It's an out.
Sucks
So-
the oil pan dry. The flywheels are not part of the oil system on my bike.
Oh, okay. My race car is so it's a dry
This here's a
something,
vent
huh?
line here. This is a Harley vent line over here. Breather
vent
line.
line?
That's my breather line.
Alright.
What size breather line you use?
Mine's only like 3/8.
Here's my breather line. Comes right out of the case.
5/16 maybe.
Unregulated too.
Goes right to there.
And there's a big ass hole going in that cover.
No generator?
You see a generator on there?
Nope.
I don't have room. I'd take the generator off.
Let's have a look inside here.
The other problem is the generators don't live very long.
It's really tough stuffed in there.
What'd you do to my
pretty good,
turd?
too. Oh yeah, that's large diameter.
What is that? You have to open the throttle up to see what it
Nothing
is.
but a butterfly. You still see it?
There's a hole in there.
It's wide open now.
There's a hole.
Positive return spring, that's good.
It returns
Yep,
like it's supposed to.
real quick. Exhaust custom made.
I'll vouch that when you try to start the bike up, it does not run with that in there.
Well, I would imagine not.
It'll get about 1 or 2 farts. That's
Is there anything
about
up on
extent.
the exhaust pipe or anything?
The exhaust pipe? What about it?
Is there anything stuffed in that end of it too? Won't run good with that.
That's
in
an
there either.
out. We don't care about out. We care about in,
Is that a custom made pipe,
maybe.
diameter wise?
Does it look stock?
I don't know.
Do all these
Stock-
welds?
Got a stock,
Do all these welds look stock?
stock clamp on the top.
Is that the stock mounting bracket?
That's nice.
Do you notice the recurring theme on these brackets?
More hose clamps like the NHRA.
Yep.
Strong as hell, huh?
It hasn't broken. Sometimes I forget to tighten the clamp down. It doesn't
What
make
kind of
any
gearing we
difference.
got on it?
Gear?
Gear.
I got that one.
Wide open gear. Does it go in first gear? Take off?
I got that gear. See that one right there?
So you don't need to push when you take off?
See the number on that one?
Can't see it.
37.
37 in the back?
Yep.
And what in the front, 24?
That one there. Whatever that is. Too much nitromethane on my sticker killed it.
Do you run 3 speeds or 4 speeds? To get to high gear.
See, my 50th anniversary Bonneville sticker got destroyed.
That's a bummer. From what? Nitromethane?
Nitromethane. I was pumping the fuel out of the bike and I forgot about the hoses being disconnected and it blew fuel all over the bike. And it just ate that on up.
Yeah.
Pissed me off.
How'd you figure out all the hoses?
And also got the Mirage sticker over here.
You're off one? I heard they ran there a while back.
Yeah, this one here didn't get affected as bad, but it got dirty too.
Yeah, it's just getting
Third
old.
annual.
Getting old anyway.
That was 98. That's Edwards Air Force Base, in case you know where Muroc is.
Yeah, that's what I said. I heard they ran it a while back.
Yeah, 95 to 2000.
And we got, what's all this thing here? That's the MSV box.
Oh, what's that say up there?
It just said retard, retard, retard.
I'm a 3-time retarded.
0, 10, 5.
What do we got on there for retards?
You know, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, and 0. Would you change that as you go? Or when you start it?
How many nitrous lines are on there?
You're not giving up all your secrets, are you?
How many nitrous lines are on there?
These here?
Yeah.
Well, I think there's 8 now.
No, not in the phone.
Excuse me, there's 4 fuel and 4
How many
nitrous.
nozzles are in that thing?
Oh. Well, you got 8, right? 4 for fuel and 4 for... Do these go into one?
Those are fogger nozzles. Do you know what a fogger nozzle is?
I don't. I've never ran no nitrous before.
That's called a mixing chamber.
Okay. Now, where's the jets on the other end of that, or just go straight
Jets
into the
on the
manifold?
top right here. The jet underneath it.
Mixing chamber and then straight into the manifold, though.
And it kind of goes inside the hole, that big hole there.
And then you need more right before the port.
And
Another
then
shot
that
of
port
them.
might be slightly bigger than stock.
Yeah, just slightly.
It might be similar to this, but not quite this small.
Yeah, I think it's a little wider.
It's not quite as big as this one over here.
Head like that, though. You just one piece.
See this one right here?
Yeah.
It's not quite that big.
That's an oval shape. Yeah.
That's rectangular.
It's not quite that big.
Not quite that big.
I wouldn't say it's much smaller though. Sure looks big.
Well, it is a 500. It used to be a 500, now it's a 650. So how much more stroke is in there now than stock?
Stock would be 500.
Yeah. Well, a 1,060 motor. It's only one of them. It's
So you
500.
got 650 out of that. You got what, another half an inch more stroke?
I don't know how much.
I have no idea.
Well, what's that thing underneath the cylinder over there?
This thing?
Yeah.
That plate?
What do you think that is?
That's to get the clearance on the rod. Don't hit the
Piston
cylinder?
don't hit the cylinder head.
Wow. Don't hit the cylinder. Oh. What about the bottom when it comes down?
What happens when you stroke something? What happens?
Well, you make a longer stroke to get more
What happens?
cubic inches, right? So the piston goes higher
Goes higher and goes
and
lower.
goes lower.
Yeah, there you go.
So that plate's doing both two purposes then, huh?
No.
Doesn't help it from going down and hitting the crankshaft, the piston? From not hitting the crank?
What's the space from the cylinder going to help the crank for?
So when it comes down,
Still goes down. That's for going up.
It's only for going up, huh?
Yeah, so much clearance that I add extra.
Half inch.
So how much more stroke is that?
Probably half an inch. How you get the extra 150 cc's?
If I went up a half inch up, how much I go down?
I don't know how it works,
Piston goes up and down.
right? So when up an extra half inch, it's going to come down an extra half inch.
Yeah.
So you shorten the piston up.
So what's that make it?
Quarter inch? Inch.
Inch.
Oh, inch then.
Half up, half down. Extra inch.
Okay. And you got a really short piston on
So I
it?
stroked it an inch.
Short skirt?
That's not too much, is it?
Do they ever make you prove that you're only 650 cc?
Yeah, they measure it
They do.
when you get a record. I haven't got a record yet. I haven't measured it yet.
You haven't had no records on this bike? They're all in the 500 cc?
Not in this class yet.
Better change that then, Tatro.
Well, it's having issues.
Yeah, new rods and pistons every run.
No, rods are fine.
So did you just weld this thing up to make that port bigger?
No, I might have modified something in there.
Stuck another piece off something else in there? Like off a Chevy head or something?
It might be something different in there. Could be slightly modified.
Did you have the 500 cc one with the same stuff on it?